Student learning outcome. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the various slopes of a line. You should also be able to determine whether the slope of a line is positive, negative, zero, or undefined. A line that rises or moves upwards from left to right is a positive slope. A line that falls from left to right, that slants downward, is an example of a line that has a negative slope. Now recall that slope is all about a change. That change can be an increase or decrease, but slope is your change in y over your change in x. Here you see a horizontal line. A horizontal line indicates that there was no change. There was no increase. There was no decrease. It stayed the same. It was constant throughout the entire line. So this particular line has a slope of 0 because, again, there was no change. It was constant. Any horizontal line has a 0 slope. Anytime you see a vertical line, that line has an undefined slope. You cannot determine whether there was an increase or whether there was a decrease or whether it stayed the same. This type of line, again, is an undefined slope. All vertical lines have an undefined slope. Now, to help you remember all these types of line orientations, look at Mr. Slope's face. His eyebrow is moving from left to right in an upward motion, which signifies a positive slope. The right eyebrow is moving from left to right in a downward motion, which signifies a negative slope. Now recall, slope is all about change, an increase or decrease. When there is no change, such as you see here in its mouth, it is a horizontal line, did not increase or decrease, therefore it has a slope of 0. So his dimples are to help you remember that a horizontal line has a slope of 0. All vertical lines are undefined, so his nose is to help you remember that a vertical line has an undefined slope. And there you have it. Just think of Mr. Slope and you got this.